So now we're going to answer the exercise 1.45. So this is about the product of vectors, so section 1.10. So this chapter 1, units, physical quantities, and vectors. So we're using university physics with modern physics chapter 13th edition. Okay. So for vectors A, B, and C in figure E 1.28, find the scalar product of A dot B, the B dot C, and the A dot C. So that is the question. Let's answer this A first. So we must recall, recall, so if we have two vectors, for example, vector A and vector B, that direction. So let's put them tail to tail. Okay, this vector tail to tail. So this is a vector A, and this is the vector B. Okay, this is the vector B, and this they have the angle phi, and the dot product A dot B by definition is just equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B, then the cosine of phi. Phi is the angle between A and B. Or in another definition is just equal to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. The same A dot. So here, so in this case, we have for letter A, we have the dot product of A dot B. So we could use this one, A dot B, the dot product of A dot B is just equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B cosine of phi. So what is the angle phi? So if we sketch this one, okay, we have here, this is our y, this is our x. So we have here angle B, which is 30 degrees. So meaning this is 60 degrees. And we have here an angle A. Angle A. So from here to here, it's just your phi is just equal to 60 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is equal to 150 degrees. Okay, 150 degrees. So your A dot B here just equal to the magnitude of A, which is 8.0 meters, the magnitude of B, which is 15.0 meters, cosine of 150 degrees. It's just like this. This is the vector B, and this is a vector A, and the angle between them is 150 degrees. So that's, we compute this one using our calculator. So we have uh, 8 times 15 cosine 150. So we have negative 104 or 104 three significant figures meters squared. If you want to use this one, for example, you want to use this definition, A dot B is equal to AX BX plus AY BY. So we calculated the components of AX. So for example, we already calculated the components of AX and BX. Let's erase this one first. Okay. So this is just another reference. So your AX is, you can see that A cosine of 270 degrees is equal to 0. And AY is A sine of 270 degrees is equal to negative 8.0 meters. So watch our previous videos for components of vectors so that you can relate to our lesson. So we have Bx is equal to B cosine of 60 degrees, so which is 7.5. And we have we have by is equal to b sine of 60 degrees, which is 13.0 meter, 12.99 or 13. So if that's the case, so we have here 0 meters times uh, 8.0 meters, negative 8 point, what is our AY? 7.5. This is, this is 7.5. So this is actually 7.5. So this is actually 7.5 plus here is uh, AY negative 8.0 meters times 13.0 meters. So this is actually, so is 104 meters squared. So that is the same answer. So the same answer, negative 104 meters. Okay. So either you use this one or use this one. So it's up to you. Okay, let's go to now to letter C. Letter B. Okay, letter B. For letter B, okay, let's answer directly. B dot C is equal to the magnitude of B times the magnitude of C times the cosine of phi. Okay. So we have here the magnitude of B is 15. The magnitude of C is 12. Cosine of what is the angle? So if we're gonna sketch this one, so this is our x and y coordinate, and this is our B, which is, and this is our C. So we have here 90 degrees, and we have here 30 degrees, and we have here 25 degrees. So the angle between B and C is just 90 plus 30 plus 25. So 90 plus 30 plus 25 is 145 degrees. So cosine of 145 degrees. Okay. So we have 15 times 12 times cosine 145 degrees. So negative, so we have here negative 147 meters, 47.5. So 147.5, or we can just, you can just make this one as negative 148 or 148 meters. Okay. So for letter C, we have uh, A dot C. So we have the magnitude of A times the magnitude of C, cosine of this phi. What is the angle? So basically we have 8.0 meters times the, what is the C? 12.0 meters. We have the cosine of this. So what? So we don't know the phi yet. So what is the angle? Okay. So what is the angle? So I have here an angle. Here a Cartesian coordinate system. This is x and this is y, and this is our vector c. This is 25 degrees. Then this angle here is just 90 degrees minus 25 degrees, which is 65. So this angle here is 65 degrees. So phi is equal to 65 degrees. It looks like this one. This is A and this is C. The angle phi is equal to 65 degrees. So 65 degrees. So we have, so we have 8 times 12 times cosine of 60. So we have 40.6, 40.6. So we have 40.6 meter squared. Squared. Okay. So those are the products of vectors. So thank you for listening. Please hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.